all classes, Pokey's class in Google Classroom. Okay, due today, due Saturday, Titan 1M Mastercam. All right, here are the, submit your file when complete for review. Titan, here's the blueprints and this. Of course, I would have given like watch the videos on Titan CNC Academy, and share your Fusion. With Fusion, we'd be sharing the Fusion file. We're Mastercam, we're gonna do that different. So, all right, here's my Mastercam file. So I saved it, saved, or file, save as. Where did I put it in that file? Okay, so when I submit this, which is here, right, I have to go get it, add what? A file. Select from your device. It was in public Titan Mastercam right here, and I want to submit this cam file. Open. What's this? 1.57 meg. That's fine. Upload. Yeah, it's all uploading. Takes a minute, and I'm going to say turn in, turn in, turn in. So I guess we're learning from this. I think they should download the Google document and fill it out and then submit it. Okay. All right, as an instructor, I'm going to be reviewing the classes. I'm like, okay, this class here, let's see how they're doing. Grades. Oh, here's one right here. Okay, he's done. Let me take a look at this. These are everybody in the class. Where do I find the files? Let me go back one, click right here. View submission. Download. I'm going to download this. What do you want to do with it? Go. I'm going to save it. Save as. I'll just put it on the desktop for now. Right there, save. And let's just put new here. I have nothing here. So I save the file. Where do they do that? Yes, open folder, right? Open folder. And there it is, right there. So actually, I could click on this, it would open up Mastercam, wouldn't it? Close. I'm just going to close this right out. Over to here. Click on that one. Mastercam is now opening. Of course, this one you can't preview like a PDF file. Then I'll leave it open for grading. Or if I made any changes, I could send it back. So I get it's loading up. Here we go. There's the file right there. So I would review the file. I could like shut off all these folders. I see some toolpath there, so it's probably no operations. I'm going to select all operations. All wavy lines, no wavy lines. I can go into the like levels. I can look at the, what is the wireframe, right? Wireframe, boundary, solid. So I can go into view. Oh no, sorry, home, analyze entity, and I could like check some numbers here. Like this one tells me that it's at X 4 inches. Okay, so we're kind of like checking numbers on the print. That one I must have caught the chamfer. This one right here, that's at X0. So I can do some quick measurements. Make sure, just to make sure the numbers are correct. I'm looking at the setup, it's aligned with the corner, that's what we asked them to do. Go to toolpath, I'm going to check some settings here. Tool settings, got program number and everything, stock setup, yep, that all looks good. Let's just run let's fit this in the middle here, and we'll just run a quick simulate right here. And I can record this, like I'm recording this right now. I'll record this and hit play. I can look at it that way, or I can look at it where's the color loop one? Rewind. I think I lost everything. Oh, this is, I was playing around with this simulation here. I was doing 5-axis. But actually this would be pretty interesting. There are some simulation stuff built in here, so I may use this for lessons. Alright, back to verify, here we go. Fit, and oops, view, verify, color loop. I like color loop. So each operation has its own color. You can see a lot more stuff there, like the chamfer moves, stuff like that. So then I can say, okay, this all looks excellent. I'm going to give you a 95. Very nice. No, I'm going to say it needs no changes. It should be 100, right? 100. No changes needed, so I don't need to send it back. And I'm going to hit post, and then going to hit not returned. Let's see if it actually adds the grade in when I do that. Oh, how do I get back? The good thing about Google is it'll. Oh, there we go. You got 100, right? So it's there. It's recorded it. So either one can be done. You know, you can do the Mastercam. I think this at-home training is really good. I know we all want to teach manual machining and stuff like that, and let me put on something more interesting here. This is like my my YouTube studio. I've been uploading some videos, like commentary. I did how to do Fusion setup. A student sent in a file, and I actually ran it on my simulator, and I was trying to show some things on the G-code side. I didn't know what post-processor they were using, so so these are all YouTube videos I put in there. Like one was one I filmed before we got closed down, was one of the manual machining projects. I did it with a hat cam. So so you can, I have 3 YouTube channels, but apparently there's a lot of room in these things, and I've been, you know, making playlists, you know, out of certain subjects. Like I did one just on CNC maintenance, setup tech, I call this. We used to call it setup man, but you know, we have women in the industry. We got to be fair. Some others call it something really cool, setup tech. So all of these videos are, and I ordered them in the order I wanted to see them, and I sent somebody a playlist and said you to watch one every day, and I'm probably going to include some, like this is the one I did today, the 4 tips. We'll get tool holder, tapping, ER collets, soft jaws, drills, feeds and speeds, you know, and then more into work offsets, manually picking up bores. So I got them all organized for setup. I have operator, I have setup, and then and then one I'm programming. So that's kind of the three levels I think of when I'm teaching CNC machine. You want to be proficient operator, which includes measuring and shop practice. A good setup man with some fundamental understanding of code, but not necessarily have to make whole parts yet. And then programmer. Programmer would be CAD, CAM, and or G-code learners. So that's kind of where I'm at on this right now. Okay, I'm at 15 minutes, so I'm going to stop it right here. And probably that'll be it for me today. Okay, talk to you later.